Hello everyone, my name is Aziz. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to answer one question, which is whether a degree in software engineering is actually worth it or not. So this video is not for everybody, it's actually for people that are making the decision or on the plank whether to do it or not. Yeah, I will try my best to make it short and decisive. So yeah, let's get right into it. Well, before I answer that question, I'm actually a software engineering student right now, and before joining in university, I had a little bit prior experience, technically from courses and YouTube, like a self-taught, and I can say it was really much help. No, I'm sorry about that, but what I want to say is that it was really big help for me to making the decision of joining software engineering. But after my first semester, everything was clear to me, and and that is at the moment, to be honest. Well, in short, it is a big yes. It's actually really booster, or a great start to your career as a a big start to your career in tech. So in short, I would say it's a yes, but you can get into like computer science or anything, they're all the same. But for me, in my experience, and the biggest help from enrolling in software engineering is not about actually learning stuff, it's about the discipline you gain from it. And and I noticed that, and for the whole university, the coding part, you don't learn much from it, apart from like the engineering stuff, for example math, which will probably help you in the future, maybe if you're going to be data scientist, or doing some complex programming stuff later on in your career. But apart from that, you don't really learn, and I can't say much, because compared to watching videos on YouTube, you really learn a lot more than that. But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm saying the coding concepts you learn from software engineering is minimal compared to the things that you can learn from the internet, because the majority, I know, I'll say about 90%, no, let's go even up, I'll say 95% of the coding that I learned is not from the university actually. But what I gained from the university is learning the hard concepts, like some of the algorithms, data structure algorithm. Yeah, I will have probably learned on my own, but I don't think at the rate I will have learned at the rate that I did in the university. So it was actually really eye-opening, and also a lot of maths. I don't even know when I'm going to use those. Oh my god. Well, yeah, in my opinion, I'll say it's really worth it. So I know I haven't given you a really decisive argument about it, because I really don't know how to explain my ideas without talking for less than 15 minutes, But yeah, hope you watch it. Next time I'll try to edit these kind of videos, but now I'm not going to edit anything. So see ya.